The Jiu Fang of TCM brings together the essence of TCM theory. It fully reflects the breadth and depth of traditional Chinese medicine. There are senior traditional Chinese medicine practitioners who have undergone years of research and practice. Carefully assembled. This prescription, with its unique therapeutic effect and profound theoretical foundation, it has won high praise from patients and experts. Traditional Chinese medicine Jiu Fang, mainly for the conditioning of the 5 internal organs of the human body, taking nourishing the lungs, kidney, and spleen as the core of nourishing the heart and protecting the liver. Zhang Fu theory based on the 5 elements theory of traditional Chinese medicine. Scientific group. Rigorous compatibility. In terms of nourishing the lungs, the medicinal materials in the prescription can nourish the Lung Yin, Zuanfei, and phlegm, to improve the symptoms of lung qi deficiency and Lung Yin deficiency. In terms of tonifying the kidney, pay attention to filling the lean marrow of the prescription to warm and nourish the kidney yang, to regulate the function of the kidneys. In terms of spleen and stomach, the prescription can strengthen the spleen and stomach qi and eliminate food, to improve digestive problems caused by spleen and stomach failure. Positive aspect. The prescription has nourishing the heart, calming the mind, calming and hypnosis. Improve heart and brain function. Liver protection. It has improved liver function and liver function. Relieve symptoms such as liver qi stagnation. Traditional Chinese medicine classical prescriptions place more emphasis on the role of comprehensive conditioning. It's not just about treating the disease, focusing more on the overall balance of the body, to improve the body's immunity and disease resistance. Enhance physique, so as to achieve the goal of health and longevity.